Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2001 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Standard. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 23,047 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it does not run. The bike did run for the test ride but will not now. Our technician also noted that there's a primary gasket seeping oil, and the fuel gauge fluctuates, and there's an oil seep at the inner primary. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint blemishes on the fuel tank and scratches on the saddlebag. This bike has an owner's manual, one key, and comes equipped with a multifunction 2-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with rear lowering links, a flat slide carburetor, Reinhardt mufflers, an open stage 1 intake, an intake cover, a timing cover, a primary cover, a fuel door cover, shifter pegs, shift linkage, LED headlight and passing lamps, a windshield, smoke turn signals, saddlebag luggage rails, grips, rider and passenger floorboards, a brake pedal, and chrome radio trim. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.